Fitting your Lightfoot is easy. Firstly, you need to locate your OBD port, but don't plug Lightfoot in at this stage. This is where you'll connect your device. The OBD port is usually located underneath the steering wheel or in the glove box. But check your vehicle handbook if you can't find it. The Lightfoot device should be fixed to the lower right of your windscreen. It is important to keep it out of the swept area. Make sure to clean this area first. Using either the mounting bracket or tape, fix the device to the windscreen or the dash. Run the wire down the dash and plug into your car's OBD port. The Lightfoot device will flash and bong. Turn your ignition on. You should see the lights start to scroll from left to right. Once Lightfoot has learnt the vehicle, the lights will go solid. You should hear
Lightfoot installation successful,
and the triangle will begin to flash. This means the device is trying to contact the Lightfoot servers. Once the triangle goes solid, this means Lightfoot has successfully contacted the servers. Depending on location and signal, this may take some time, so there's no need to wait for it to stop flashing before you turn the vehicle off. The next time you ignition on, you should see one green light come on and then go out after a few seconds. The device will then activate itself within the first few journeys. After this, Lightfoot will start giving audible and visual feedback.
Go steady.
That's it. You're ready to start driving with Lightfoot. If you need any assistance, contact us at support@lightfoot.co.uk.